Wait, we need a proper intro. Now that's better.
I've been missing in like 3 weeks. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I know I got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you for the support. Make sure that your notification bell is on. We looking rough. I'm gonna go moisturize my skin. I'm going to spray my face with the Badescu clothes runner. Have not had the energy to film, primarily because I was doing the master cleanse, and after a while my body had like no energy to do much. Like all I wanted to do was sleep. Don't know what cleanse I'm talking about. I'm talking about the same master cleanse Summerella was on. If you don't know who Summerella is, she's like a comedian on like Instagram. But yeah, I'm using the NYX Illuminator, the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. Favorite primer right now. And color correct with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, but I only really use it to color correct, and I take the orange one. I've been trying the Milani foundation. Either I didn't pick up my right color, or it's just way too orange. That I love is the Revlon Color Stick. I really love this foundation because it dries down matte. If you ever are looking for a foundation, just color match it to the center of your chest. I'm gonna go into my eyebrows. I kind of do my makeup like kind of all over the place, so
My camera's picking up every color kind of lighter than it actually is. Like, you can kind of tell when I stand up, the backdrop gets darker. Same thing for my foundation. It's darker when I'm not really in front of the camera, but it is my right shade. It's just lighter on camera, but I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial as well, so stay tuned.
spread mine out a little bit, just so that when I put on my first transition color, it blends into it. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape, despite what's been going on with Tarte. And I'm going to blend that out with a Zamp Beauty Blender. A clean Zamp Beauty Blender. I wash my beauty blender and I keep a little bit of water in it, and then I'll just take any like empty thing or whatever and just drain the rest of the water out. The sponge doesn't dry out.
I really hate that the camera's making me pick up ashy, but I'm getting used to filming on my camera again, so I have to work on the lighting.
Have on the setting powder, and this one is in translucent.
Try to be careful when you're dusting away this product. It tends to get blotchy when you take a brush to it after you've already set it in with the beauty blender.
Black Radiance blush. is to take it and widen it up here, and then get even skinnier as you get down. My Studio Fix powder in my NW50 by MAC, and I kind of just dust away that powder. I've been going hard for these Milani highlights. Take a different round dome type of brush, spray that Badescu rose water. And I really go in when it goes to setting my face. So we're gonna get into this here. My edges, I'm using the ASIAM edge control and a toothbrush.
So I kind of tweaked the lighting a little bit and fixed it, but next video is we gonna have it together.
When I'm doing the back, I switch off to a brush in my hands, and then I just put the product on and then brush it up. Take a headband thingy. Here's a shoestring. I know I used to do that, but kind of stopped. And just place it where you want it. And then to enhance the curl a little bit, Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine.
I don't know what I was saying here, but this product does turn my hair a little white after a day, like of it being in my hair, but I still like it. It kind of makes my curl pop a little bit more. But I'm just sticking these ends, these like straight straggly ends underneath the band just so you can't really tell. Just positioning the curls and stuff where I want them. And if I had my pick closer by, I'd pick it out to make it give them a little more height. But yeah, this is it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna kind of get myself a little together here for the outro, and I'll be back.
So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to do too much talking in the video because I wanted you guys to just watch and enjoy, but I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna be coming back with so many more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.